Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Taiwan by way of ASha Foods USA. Yeah, they've got a package of interesting things for me to open up. So without further ado, let's do so. Okay. So ASha's been making a lot of products over a lot of years, and generally I'm a big fan of them. They're really good, and last year they were #1 on the top 10 Taiwan list with their red box special braised beef noodle. Well, this year they're back on the top 10 list with a really fancy variety. I wanted to give it a re-review, so here's what they sent. Now here it is. This is their beef and tendon super fancy braised beef noodle. This is freaking gourmet, off the hook, amazing stuff. The broth has just like the nicest braised beef flavor, and the beef that's in it is out of this world. And it's got tendon meat in it as well. This is absolutely the best beef noodle that I've had from Taiwan. This is just wonderful stuff. What's neat about it is it's got a dry noodle, and then it's got a big retort pouch which has the beef and the soup in it. You don't have to use a whole bunch of sachets in this one. Basically, you've got like a flexible can with this big, huge retort pouch. I mean, this weighs a lot. And then it's got their ASha dry noodles in there alongside it. So it's the whole meal deal is in the box. So this one isn't available here in the States. This is only available in Taiwan, but I recommend that if you're in Taiwan or traveling to Taiwan, seek it out because it's really good. And then they sent this. What do we have here? It looks like it's a keychain. Well, look at that. It's a little box keychain. That's really cool. I wonder, does it open? Probably not. I don't want to mess it up. No, this doesn't open up. I was thinking, like, I wonder if it's got a little tiny noodle block and other stuff in there, but I don't think it does. And I don't want to screw it up because this is pretty cool. Yeah, look at that. Look, it's got just the tiniest little, you see that? It's the tiniest little box, and it's got all the instructions and stuff on it. It's like a perfect little replica of their box. Yeah, if you want a size comparison, I actually do have a box of it, and yeah, that's funny. I like that. Look at that! What a cool thing! Well, thank you very much to the folks over at ASha for sending this one over and this one a while back. I'm really looking forward to redoing these and trying them again. I mean, yeah, you can't go wrong with that. Super good stuff. All right, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.